To connect Google Authenticator to KuCoin, you will need to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you do not already have one. Next, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Account Settings page. Click on the Security tab and select Two-Factor Authentication. Choose Google Authenticator as your two-factor authentication method. KuCoin will then display a QR code that you need to scan using the Google Authenticator app. Open the Google Authenticator app and click on the plus icon to add a new account. Select Scan QR code and point your camera at the QR code displayed on the KuCoin website. Once the QR code is scanned, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code on the KuCoin website to complete the setup process. After completing the setup, you will need to enter the Google Authenticator code every time you log in to your KuCoin account. This adds an additional layer of security to your account and helps protect it from unauthorized access. It is also a good idea to save the secret key provided by KuCoin during the setup process. This key can be used to recover your Google Authenticator account if you lose access to your mobile device. By following these steps, you can easily connect Google Authenticator to your KuCoin account and add an extra layer of security to your cryptocurrency transactions. Remember to always keep your Google Authenticator code and secret key safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In conclusion, connecting Google Authenticator to KuCoin is a simple and effective way to protect your cryptocurrency account from hackers and other malicious activities. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily set up two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator and add an extra layer of security to your KuCoin account.